In this video, I am going to show you how to bootable pendrive using CMD in Windows 10. Creating a USB pendrive using command prompt is not hard. It is one of the most common way to create a bootable USB. This method does not work if your operating system is Windows XP and Windows 8. You can not select the primary partition in command prompt. You just need to follow this simple step. First step is to obtain the window file from somewhere and save them a folder in your PC. You need to copy the whole content to a folder anywhere in your PC. You just need to make sure you know where it is located. For example, I've saved my Windows 7, Windows 11 one folder, so I don't need to any search key. My Windows is where in my PC. Second, make sure your USB pen drive is inserted. My USB pen drive already inserted in my PC. So let's go to start. Search box, type CMD and click run as administrator. You need to write the following commands. First is a Diskpart. Next, list disk. Select disk 1. Write clean drive, create partition primary, select partition 1, drive active, drive format fs equal to ntfs. Make sure your pen drive inserted your PC. So let's continue. Hit enter. This will format the USB drive and will take 10 to 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes. Hey, after the format is done, you have to continue command prompt assign. Now you will notice that the USB drive change its letter to H folder or G folder. See this? Yeah. Tap exit. Tap exit. This command will exit the Diskpart function. Now you have to write the path to the executable file in your Windows save folder. Make sure that in your Windows folder you have the boot folder with the bootsect executable file. In my case, the command goes like the D and new folder and Windows 7, yeah, boot, like that. D new folder Windows 7 and boot. Type D folder D, enter. The CD new folder. Yeah, write this. D new folder Win 7 boot. CD Win 7 CD boot and bootsect. The bootsect.exe by nt60 and folder D. Yeah, my folder, Pendrive folder G. Yeah, G. Type G, then okay. You see this target volume will be updated will boot manager compile boot code successfully update ntfs file system boot code. The boot code was successfully updated on all target volume. So type exit. Now you have to copy all the file in the window folder in your USB drive. Yeah, go to the Windows 7 file. Select all and copy and go to the folder and paste. All done. You can now restart your PC and boot from the USB drive. Yeah, all done. Copy all the file in this. Now I eject my pen drive PC. See this, my pen drive is bootable and you saw the icon, window icon. So you can restart your PC and put from your USB and install window in your hardware.